In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list in more places on Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is a fantastic tool for selling items locally, but spreading your listings across a wider range of locations can help immensely in reaching more potential buyers. So, let's dive right in and walk through how you can broaden your sales territory efficiently. First, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Once there, locate the Marketplace icon, which you can find on the home screen of your Facebook app or at the top of the page if you're on desktop. Clicking this icon will take you to the Marketplace home where you can view your current listings, browse items, and, most importantly, create new listings. Now, click the Sell button to start a new listing. You'll be prompted to choose a category for your item. It's important to select the right category, as it helps potential buyers find your listing more easily. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to the creation form where you can enter all the details of your item. Be sure to fill out the title, description, and price accurately. Providing helpful, clear details here will make your listing stand out to potential buyers. When it comes to setting your listing's location, this is where you can really expand your reach. You'll notice the default location set to your current one, but this is adjustable. Click on the location box, and you'll have the option to search for cities nearby. This is where you can begin listing your items in additional locations to increase their visibility. Simply type in the names of different areas within your region where you think there might be interest and select those locations to add them. Adding high-quality photos of your item is another key step in this process. Facebook allows you to upload multiple images, so take advantage of this by including clear, well-lit pictures from different angles. This can help catch the eye of those browsing through listings both near and far. Once your listing is complete, double-check all the entered information to ensure its accuracy. It's beneficial to be as detailed as possible, as this increases trust with potential buyers. Upon publishing your listing, actively share it in relevant local buy and sell groups you belong to on Facebook. When you share your listing in these groups, it extends its reach to a more targeted audience who are actively looking for items like yours. This is particularly effective if you want to target multiple cities and get more eyes on your listing. And there you have it, a detailed guide to listing in more places on Facebook Marketplace. By expanding the locations of your listings, you can significantly enhance the visibility of your items and increase your chances of making a sale. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in enhancing your use of Facebook Marketplace. Happy selling!